It's been crazy and exciting at home with getting this Amazon project up and going. So as soon as Gig got home from his mission, life has just been crazy fun. So a lot of brainstorming. We've had other programmers fly in. We even have a psychologist coming in to help, help us understand the psyche of things. So, and they're up late, they're at the office late, they're, when they get home, they're always talking about Amazon, and just crazy but exciting. And that's how we work. It's always an adventure with us, always an adventure with my husband, always. Like marriage life has just been one big adventure, because that's how he thinks. He's just always looking ahead and outside of the box, and how can we have the next cool thing and introduce that, and have it be exciting for everybody involved, and this has got to be the most exciting thing ever.